But obviously, remember I told you guys I was having a lot of health issues. Like they couldn't figure out what's wrong with me, and it was insulin. My body was rejecting it, so it was making me retain water and gain a ton of weight. But we couldn't figure out what was wrong.
That might be what's wrong with me.
Yeah, it was like basically rejecting it. So my insulin, I have too much insulin in my body. Like it won't. It's resistant.
Oh, you super sweet.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, so that's the only thing that I think is super frustrating with doctors is having that kind of stuff happen because you're like, man, we pay for this to get an answer. Like, don't just send me home. I went to a hormone doctor. Hey!
Hi, Pookie, how we doing?
How are you?
Oh, I'm better now. Oh, better now. Oh my God, are we in the kitchen?
We are. We're making pasta.
Oh my God. I forgot how to cook. Can you show me, hands-on?
Really, Mr. Chef?
I just put that as a fake title, you heard?
I have watched you cook multiple times and you're fantastic. The way that you can cut up ingredients is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Aw, thank you, Mama. Look, honestly, I can't take all the credit because, like, you always see me when I'm cooking, right?
Right.
But, like, you've never seen the mastermind behind it. Look at it. See, look, Chef Daddy, my favorite. But look, when I tell you I really don't know how to cook, I really don't. Look, like, what the? It's him. That's the one doing all the movement. You know what I'm saying?
I love that.
What's
My chat said that you need to go on Master Chef.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate you guys. You know, I appreciate you guys hyping me up. You know. But yeah, now I actually applied for Hell's Kitchen, and I just needed one more thing to fix, so I will be able to get on.
Really? That is so dope. I love that.
Oh, look at my nature. But see, I can't whistle because Gordon don't like that shit. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna make it, dog. Cause I'll be like, cuss me out. Fuck you. You know, I'm
that's so funny.
You on that show is definitely watch. Oh, thank you, Javi. Hey, perro, no, if I get on there, oh, Daddy, my favorite fool. You know what, dog? Hey, they knew what to do not to put me on there the first time, dog. Cause look, I wasn't single then. I'm single now, so now I can go on the show.
You could.
Perro.
You could.
I'm gonna be like, that's the legend. True, I'm scared. Hey, dog, as long as I have your votes, you know what I'm saying? But what's up, though, Mama? How we doing pasta? What kind of pasta is we making, man? You know.
I'm doing penne with chicken and Alfredo sauce.
Penne chicken Alfredo, that's right. Ooh, Daddy, can you give me a little taste? I want to taste it. I want to see how good it is because you're Italian. I know what I can do. I know you're Italian, a little bit of Mexican, and a couple more. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ooh, see, motherfuckers, I pay attention. I pay attention.
Cooking is... Oh, it's a love language. It's so... I love it.
Fucking right it is, girl. That's from 5. Let me tell you one thing, Javi. Guess what? Hey, she gonna come with me to the Raiders game, bro.
I am. I'm gonna meet him out there.
Yes. Dog, hey, perro, so we gonna look. I already told her, look, we gonna have a Raiders jersey, perro, and we're gonna be in that motherfucking house.
We'll have a little cook-off.
Can you teach me how to cook, hands-on?
I could teach you how to cook, yeah.
How about this? Whatever you don't know how to cook, I'll show you. Whatever I don't know, you can show me.
Okay, I can do that.
Plus, plus you're Italian. But see, look, I need hands-on because I'm not a visual learner at all.
We need to hold hands while you're cooking so that you can figure it out.
Now we're talking, Pookie. That's right. But see, at least I told you ahead of time because then, you know, I want to be like, what kind of chef is this? Well, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Michael?
Yeah,
I'm not going to have Ratatouille with me.
Him. He's so funny.
Christopher, what's up? I definitely got to go get to one of those now. I'm telling you, Javi, that's right, perro. Ooh, so what we're doing now? We're doing the pasta, we're doing the sauce, we're doing the sauce from scratch, from the bottle.
Yeah, so I do my sauce from scratch. I just mixed it with the noodles so that it can get thick together. So it's just
Oh, I
gonna
love
kind of
me.
sit there while everything else is. We're just letting it
Right
simmer
on
right
that.
now. Letting the
Hey,
noodles.
Javi, look, I don't know if she's really a Raider fan, dog, but she said she'll wear a Raider jersey for me to the game.
Yeah, I definitely will.
Yeah, so I take my blessings where I can count them, perro. Ooh, ooh. Man, don't do. Oh my God, I just done dropped the whole fucking lighter. When you do that hair, ooh, I'm just saying, mama. Question: does it look like that when it's wet?
It's actually kind of nice when it's wet because it's real straight, but it's wavy. So
We about to find out. That's right. Hey, you know what though? No, like, cause your hair is fucking thick in volume. Like I've always told you, I love your hair.
it's a lot.
What's
There's
up?
so much.
Man, I love right. Yeah, buddy. No, but yeah, hey, look, dog. Opening fucking month of the Raiders can't come fast enough already, pero. Oh, and then look, I think they're gonna be like some sick ass shows that weekend too. So like
That'd
that's
be exciting.
yeah. They're gonna. I think they're gonna start having a Cirque du Soleil rooftop. I want to see that bitch.
That would be so dope.
Yes, mama. But look, love, I'll definitely message you about it later, mama. I'll let you get back to your channel cooking.
Okay.
I'll probably come back in 20 minutes so I can see my plate. You know what I'm saying? I'm
All
hungry.
right. Okay, see you.
Sure,
Bye.
beautiful. Have a good one, mama.
Yes, Liz, it was a hormone doctor. Because I thought I went to all these specialists. I mean, I went to like an OB, I went to a hematologist, I went to, I had scans done of like my stomach and like did all these blood tests and like we did tons and tons of stuff. It took like a whole year. And then my last resort was to go to a hormone doctor and see if it was maybe my hormones that was making me like cortisol or something that was making this happen, like that I was retaining so much water and gaining so much weight. And then she found out that it was my body is insulin's resistant right now, and so it's retaining all this insulin, and I have way too much in my bloodstream, which is making me retain water because it's making my body think I'm like thirsty. So they put me on this stuff that, because I didn't want to be on a bunch of pills. I wanted to try something else first, because I was like, is there any way we could try something other than pills? And she's like, absolutely. She's like, we're going to change your diet. She's like, you're eating what you should be eating. But she was like, you're not eating enough food. And I already eat a lot, I feel like, but maybe I don't. It's just because I don't eat very many meals a day. I eat good when I do eat, but I just don't always eat the best. So they added a ton of protein to my diet. And then it's called Ovicidol or something like that. And I have to put these in my water every day, twice a day. And it's working so much. It is crazy. It makes me feel better. I can sleep through the night. Like, oh, it was miserable. Yeah, like low sugars definitely. So they still are letting, because I'm like, I drink energy drinks, and she's like, that's fine. You can do the energy drink, but you have to have like a protein backing that, because otherwise your body it's doing too much. And so I'm like, okay. So I'm trying to do everything she says so that I can, because I don't want to feel like this. And I don't care about, like, don't misunderstand me when I say, like, when I get heavy. I don't care if I'm 300 pounds. I still feel beautiful. That's not it. This was, whatever was going on with my body was making me tired and, like, depressed. Like, I was so tired I couldn't do anything. And I couldn't figure, like, everything was working against me. My whole body was working against me. So Like, but being skinny doesn't make me happy, you know what I'm saying? Like, that doesn't matter. That part of it doesn't matter. It's just I wanted to feel better. Because you can go back in my videos, like several months, like almost a year, and you'll see how heavy I was. But it never stopped my confidence. Like I want women, all women, and men too. Like, don't care about your weight. As long as you feel good, that's all that matters. Don't care what other people think. Don't worry about those kind of things. Don't try to match somebody else's body. That's their body. Like, they look like that. Look like you and feel good about yourself. Like, you're the only you that's out there.